Do a quick talk on air conditioner cleanings. There are two different types of techs when you hire for air conditioning cleaning. So you want to make sure that you interview your tech and ask them what they're doing to clean. This is what I've come across so far in my years of doing this. The first type is going to take the cover off. They're going to scrape with a plastic brush all this dirt and debris that harbors the mold and harbors all possibilities of diseases like you get it to legionnaires and stuff like that. They're going to scrape it off. They're going to spray a cleaner on it. They're going to put the cover back on, and they're going to tell you to turn the AC on and run it for a while. That doesn't work with RV air conditioners. It works with a home air conditioner, but not RV air conditioners. The next RV tech like myself, who has gone to school and is taught properly, is going to scrape all that off. We're going to spray the coil cleaner on it, and then I'm going to flush it with water and flush it out of the drain holes until I see the water completely be sprayed through. It is a low pressure water that you're going to use, but I'm going to flush that system out. So that puts you in a difference between a $75–80 cleaning versus something that gets up past $100, because this takes literally about an hour and a half to fully get through something like this. So here's after flushing for the first flush. I normally do two, and you can see I haven't flushed this side yet. That's just scraping and spraying. You can see the difference between here and there. And that's the final. Now you can see this is all what's coming out. What's getting flushed out of that, minus the leaves obviously. That's what gets flushed out of those coil. That's how thick it is. I mean, we're talking almost 2 inches thick. So you got to get deep in there and flush all that out. That's after 1 gallon of flush through. I'm still going to flush another gallon through it, put some more cleaner on it, so that it's pushing all the way through at that point. Right now I'm about halfway, getting water halfway through. So don't be afraid to ask your RV technician how they are going to clean your air conditioners, because the cheap way is not the right way.